Okay, looking at 13 and 14, what you're going to need to do is solve for x. So you're going to need to know whether you're using an e or an ln to get x alone. In the first problem, you have the ln of x squared equals 10. Well, to undo an ln, we'll need to put it in the exponent of an e, but we also have a 2 that we can get rid of. So we can bring that 2 down in front, and we can have 2 times the ln of x equals 10. And if we divide by 2, we have the ln of x equals 5. And then we can put that, both of those into the exponent of e. Remember, that's how we cross out an ln. So x is e to the 5th. And e to the 5th is about 148.413. Now you'll get the same exact thing if you don't move down the 2. If you were just to put those, put the e exponent, so if you had the ln of, that's a really bad ln, the ln of x squared equals 10, and you did the e first, so you got rid of the ln first. You put those in the exponent of e. Well, this would cross out, and you'd have x squared equals e to the 10th. And then you'd have to get rid of that squared, so you'd have to square root both sides, and you'd get x equals e to the 10th square rooting. That's also e to the 10 over 2, which is e to the 5th. So no matter what, you're going to come back to that e to the 5th number. So you know you have to use ln's at some point, or e's to undo the ln's. You can use your properties of logarithms or not. It's up to you. You'll get the same answer either way. For number 14, you have 8 to the 3x plus 1 equals 2. Well, we have part of this equation is in the exponent. So to get something out of the exponent, that's our ln properties. So we need to ln both sides. So we'll take the ln of 8 to the 3x plus 1, and we'll take the ln of 2. So ln property, this can come down. X is no longer in the exponent. So I have 3x plus 1 times the ln of 8 equals the ln of 2. So then I need to divide both sides by the ln of 8, because I need to get the 3x plus 1 by itself, and right now they're multiplied. So on one side, those will cancel. On the other side, I'm just going to wait till the end to put everything in my calculator. So we have 3x plus 1. You can go ahead and do the ln of 2 divided by the ln of 8 in your calculator if you want. I waited till the end, so I just left this as ln of 2 over the ln of 8. The next thing to do is subtract 1. So 3x equals the ln of 2 divided by the ln of 8 minus 1. And then we have to divide both sides by 3 to get rid of that. So finally, we plug all of this into the calculator. So this is the ln of 2 divided by the ln of 8. And then you'd have to hit equals, and then minus 1, and then hit equals again, and then divide by 3. Or you can make sure that you're using parentheses properly and make sure that you put the entire numerator in parentheses, as well as using parentheses for the ln of 2 divided by the ln of 8. And all of that will be divided by 3. When you put that in your calculator properly, you should get negative 0.222. And that's it. So you just have to know when to use ln, when you're dividing, adding, and subtracting, and that's how you solve this problem.